You never know how strong you are until life gives you no choice. And suddenly, strength isn't a superpower, it's survival. If you've ever faced that moment, or if you're in it right now, this one's for you. Hi, I'm Lipika Sud. I'm a motivational speaker, an interior designer, an artist, and a poet, and I love sharing beautiful things with you. So, here are 4 secrets I've learned about staying strong when you feel like giving up. Secret 1: take it one day or 1 hour at a time. Strength doesn't always roar. Sometimes it's just waking up, brushing your hair, showing up for that one meeting, or answering that one email. When everything feels heavy, shrink your world. Focus only on the next step. You don't need to climb the whole mountain. Just find your next foothold. Secret 2: speak kindly to yourself. Yes, your inner voice becomes your inner strength. I've been through moments where I messed up, fell hard, and had no clue what came next. But the biggest shift came when I stopped saying, "Why me?" and started saying, "I'll figure this out." Kindness isn't weakness, it's the soft power that keeps you going. Secret 3: strong people ask for help. I know we are conditioned to do it all, but sometimes strength means leaning in, not pulling away. Call that friend. Let someone make you a cup of tea. Say, "I need support." Being strong alone is brave. Being strong together is wiser. Secret 4: remember who you've already been. Think back to another tough time you thought you wouldn't survive, but you did. You're not new to hard things. You are a veteran of resilience. Whenever I feel shaken, I remind myself, I have risen before. I will rise again. Strength doesn't mean you don't cry. It means you keep going. Through the tears, through the fog, through the fear. You don't always choose the storm, but you can choose who you become through it. And yes, if this spoke to you, like, share, and pass it to someone who needs a gentle nudge today. You are stronger than you think. You've always been like that and always will be. I believe in you. I love you. Keep smiling.